Welcome, young explorers, to our science adventure. Today, we're going to discover the wonders of nature all around us. Are you ready to explore? Plants are incredible living organisms that play a vital role in our ecosystem. Let's take a closer look at their leaves, stems, and flowers to uncover their secrets. Hey everybody! Look what I found! A beautiful flower with interesting leaves and roots. Aren't they so amazing? Insects may seem small, but they're mighty creatures with fascinating features. Join us as we observe their behavior and learn about their important roles in nature. Now let's look at animals. From the mighty lion to the graceful dolphin, animals come in all shapes and sizes. Let's journey across the globe to discover the incredible creatures that share our planet. We are now watching lions in savannah. What a spectacular view! We are now in deep forest watching elephants. Dolphins are very intelligent animals. We are diving with dolphins now. It is unbelievable. Now let's explore weather. Weather is a powerful force of nature that affects everything around us. Join us as we learn about the different types of weather and how they impact our environment. It is raining. We love it. Now exploring the stars. Look up at the night sky and marvel at the wonders of the universe. Let's explore the stars, planets, and galaxies that make up our vast cosmos. Wow! Sky is very beautiful at night. Stars and moon are stunning. I love to watch the sky with my telescope at night, especially when I am with my friends explore at camp. Thank you for exploring with us. What an amazing journey we've had, exploring the wonders of nature together. Remember, there's so much more to discover right outside your door. Keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop asking questions. See you next time with another adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe, so you do not miss the next adventure from Young Explorers.